Dale, 1, 2 y 3.
Sofía. Estaba bien feliz, estaba bien estaba bien feliz, estaba bien contenta. Y nada, vamos a ver qué pasa.
Okay, hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, these are cilantros. I'm gonna see if I could grow them from the actual cilantro plant. Okay, you know they come from the store, they come out like this, right? So I'm gonna put this one in the middle, and I'm gonna put these baby ones, you see the little roots, on the corners. I think it's two of them, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there's two of them, so I could put one in each side. So, like I said, I gotta buy me a stand where I don't have to shut the computer off and you guys can see. But I'm just gonna make a hole in the middle, put it in, then I'm gonna make a hole on the side. I will not be putting water because I always kill it because of the water. So I'm not gonna put water. This is a silk cup thing. If it needs water, I was gonna get it from the bottom. Okay, there it goes. Let's see if it grows. I'm gonna show you some of the things that I have done this way and has grown in so far. Let me show you. These are onion. This is white onion that I made. I love white onions, so I buy them usually, and then I cook them, and the bottom part I plant it. This one is yellow, as you can see. It's a little loose. I don't want to push it because it has roots under there. This one and this one, I don't know if it's gonna live, but this one is dead, as you can see. It's gone. You see? So I let it down there. I just drop it there to make compost. But this, I'm gonna have to put some water in it. But these two are growing beautifully, as you can see, the leaves. And I'll show you another one. Okay, so as you can see, this one's another one. This one's a yellow one also. And this one I put it yesterday, and you can see already the, how you call it, the little thing trying to grow already. So this one also is a white onion, and I left more meat on it because I wanted to make sure they grow. So let's see if this one grows. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4 that I'm pretty sure is gonna grow. The other 5, 6, the other 2, I don't know. And for last, and I have these. These are coriander seeds. Not from the one I cut down, they still moist. But the first one I took, they're starting to get hard. But these are the old ones. If you see, I think it was this summer or last summer that I took. I had a bag full of these seeds, and they're almost dried out. So these are that seeds. The ones last year, I think it was, that we took them out, or the year before. I'm going to drop them in here and see what happens and see if they grow more coriander. I want this whole thing to be full of corianders. So I'll be right back. You're not going to see much of it. I'm just going to drop it in there. But anyway, as they grow, I'll show you how they're growing. I have 11 plants of seeds here. 11 plants have seeded. I cut the seeds because they were too wild. So what I decided was to dry it out and just take whatever I had of seeds. What happened was that I cut it, and I think she didn't like it, and she grew again another one. So I have 5 on this side right here, and I have 6 on this side. So it's a lot of seeds. But I will be growing them here. Maybe I put a little bit over there on that side because it's virtually empty, and make a nice a nice big giant plant of seed of coriander. I love these corianders for rice, yellow rice, soups, beans, you know, broiled things. It tastes delicious. But I'm a fanatic. I put a lot of it. Me and my husband loves it. So I'm just gonna plant these seeds, and then when they start growing, see how much there are? There's like around 50 seeds in here, right in here, my hand. So as they grow, I'll show you how they're growing. So this is all, you know, there's one right here. This one, it was another one. I had it in my lap. I didn't know. I had it planted there the hard way, but I didn't know it was there, so it was in my lap. And when I went to get the seeds, that's when I noticed it fell off the floor. So I I just put it back in there. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.